Let's pretend for a moment that we're in the middle of a trip and dispatch mistakenly sends us a pre-plan. It's very important that we do not accept the pre-plan, especially if we have an active trip plan. Once we receive the notification that the pre-plan has been cleared, we simply close it. It's possible from time to time that we could either end the trip early or end a segment or a leg early when we're not actually on site. It's a very simple process to get this corrected. Once we realize our mistake, we simply communicate with dispatch the error and ask that they clear out the trip plan and resend the segment of the trip that has not been completed. In this situation, we're pretending that we haven't actually arrived at Hampton Inn yet, but we have ended our trip, so we're communicating to dispatch to get that corrected. Okay, we see here that the trip plan has been removed, and we close the screen. We see we have no trip plan or pre-plan. Once the new trip is received, it will come in as a pre-plan from dispatch, and we will simply view that, and we'll be looking to accept that pre-plan. Now that we've already accepted the pre-plan here, we're going to show ourselves auto arriving at the Hampton Inn, and we're going to go ahead and confirm that auto arrival. Now it's very important, since we're picking back up at the end of an already mostly completed journey, we do not need to start the trip. That has already been done. We're going to move on to our next valid task in our series of tasks. Now again, our next valid task is the unload at destination. You see the GPS arrived with the check mark next to it there. So we're going to go ahead and complete the unload at destination series of screens. And there's not much to fill out in these screens right here. So once we have finalized these screens, we'll go ahead and end the trip. With the completion of this end trip confirmation, the hub miles and the arrival times will now be showing in the operational profile for this trip correctly.